I have my TV turned on. You wanna know why?
Why?
That jackass upstairs is crazy. Listen, can you hear me? He does this all day, all night, 7:30 in the morning, treadmill above my head, 3 times a day, 10:30 at night, boom, 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 boom. But if you went upstairs, he wouldn't answer the door for you.
No.
I'm gonna answer the door for you.
Sure, I appreciate that. What's his name?
Listen,
Okay.
listen. Do you hear that little bit? It's like that, sir, Mr.
Yes.
Oh, God damn.
I understand.
Dang.
I understand.
I'm about to lose my mind.
I get you. It's just they're
We've called
complaining
the
about
police.
the
We've
noise.
called the police on him twice
Okay.
already.
Well, that's.
But I'm being honest with you.
I appreciate
I'm being
it.
accountable, but I can
Appreciate
only
it.
take so much.
I understand.
I seriously.
I didn't hear anything outside. I don't think it's TV super loud. So.
You know, he brings out the worst to me. I feel like what I'm doing is saying, if you want me to be a good neighbor, be a good neighbor. It's not fair that I'm down here and at 7:30 in the morning he starts this, and I think he was military because he must do drills and he does them all day long. Swear to God, he's a wackadoodle. But
Interesting.
you know, it's like, come on, dude, work with me.
I understand.
Don't do this at.
Have you talked to your apartment management?
I have.
What'd they say?
We're all frustrated. Sean, this unhinges him, and I know it's dangerous to unhinge an already unhinged person. I worked for Department of Correction for 34 years. I retired as an assistant deputy director. I get it, but this fool. He just moved in last January, came from nowhere, and I tried to go upstairs and talk to him one night about 11 p.m. and he files a police report telling you guys he's intimidated and threatened by me. I'm ringing the doorbell. I'm like, I know you're there because you were stomping. I was like, please stop stomping. And then he starts jumping up and down for 15 minutes. So I go up there and ring the bell. He wouldn't answer the door. But he filed a police report on me. And he continuously complains. And Sean had to call the police on him because he goes off. I don't know what's wrong with this man. I've never seen him before. I don't know what he looks like. He doesn't use a trash can because of me, apparently, because one night I watched him take his trash out, which didn't happen. I don't even know what the man looks like, but he knows what I look like. And so my neighbors, yeah, they've all called.
Okay.
They've called the police on him. And you know what he did for the officers? He wouldn't answer the door 3 times. But I'm going to answer. Every time you come, I will answer.
I appreciate it.
And I'm going to go turn that down. But this little fucker needs to knock it off. He needs to understand, you know, be respectful.
Sure.
I'm on it. I mean, on it. I've been here 10 years and never had any issue with anyone.
Yeah.
The grandkids, everything. But now I'm like, scream if you want, yell if you want. I don't like to be ignorant like that and disrespectful. But this dumbass, I don't know what his problem is. I just don't know. But it's endless. I'm about to cry. I mean, it really starts between 6 and 7 in the morning. It doesn't fucking end until 10:30 at night. If that. He's just all day long. But that treadmill, oh my God, that's about to drive me crazy early in the morning and sometimes
just keep bringing it up to your property
I
manager.
I will.
I'm gonna add notes. I don't really think it's
Hold
that
on,
loud.
let me turn it down.
Okay.
Yeah. So I was ornery today. I left, and you betcha I turned that goddamn thing on. I'm sick of his ass. I'm probably gonna move probably next summer, but I'm just like,
I get you.
I retired after 34 years. Can you imagine as hard as you guys work? I work that hard too. And this is the shit I got to deal with.
It's unfortunate. It's apartment
living. But he
living.
won't answer the door.
I know. Unfortunately, it's apartment living, and these are the neighbors you get sometimes. Pardon me just a second.
Yeah.
Alexis? Hello? Oh, hey. Yep. Are you home now? Okay, perfect. Just do me a favor. I'm on another call right now, and then if you can just text me your address, and I will head over as soon as I'm done, okay? All right, thanks. And bye-bye.
I'll walk it. Do you want a bottle of water? There's
No,
a bottle
thank
out there.
you.
Should-
No, I'm good, thank you.
And I'm sorry, I don't mean to use profanity.
No, that's okay. I understand.
It's not the worst in me.
I understand.
It makes me nervous because I know he's a military
I know.
guy. And I'm like, is he crazy?
Yeah.
He's gonna shoot me up and he's
No,
gonna go off one night. What's gonna happen?
I just keep bringing it up to your property manager. I'm gonna enter notes. I didn't think it was that
You
bad.
see how accountable
but-
I was? It's like, okay, you're looking for
Yeah.
me.
No, I got you.
The other officer said, which one of you neighbors did you
Yeah.
file the complaint on? I was like, it's me.
Just if you can, try to keep it at a reasonable volume. And I know it's frustrating, but
Yeah.
it's
but
unfortunately apartment living life.
I gave him a bag of treats and a card. Here's my number. If my grandkids are loud, we got off to a bad start. You didn't answer your door. I'd be happy to talk. You know, if you do your treadmill maybe at 9 o'clock once a day, cool. I could even forgive the stomping all day
Sure.
long, and I can't believe he's smart. He knows you're here. Otherwise, my head just pounds
I get
all
you.
the time.
I get you.
This is
And I'm
crazy.
sorry you're going through that.
It's ridiculous.
And we'd hate to lose you. Maybe
Yeah.
moving out of
Yeah.
this place might be good for you.
Just good for my mental health. I travel. I'm gone 6 months of the year. I'm
Okay.
gone most of the time. Thank God. If I was still working for the corrections,
Mm-hmm.
I couldn't do this. I couldn't live here. There's no way I could deal with that kind of stress and come home to this.
Gotcha.
But I just happen to be retired, so I can deal with it most days.
Mm-hmm.
But some days are better than others. And I'll be honest with you. This morning, I was a little bitch. I was like, yeah. He's lucky I didn't play rap music, and I hate rap music. I'm serious. I'm gonna walk you out so that he sees me walking you out.
Okay, that sounds good.